In this video, we will examine Luis Adolfo Lebeau's use of augmented sixth chords and her original theme and variations in F minor from 1876. Please take this video at your own pace by using the pause feature. The score can be accessed via this QR code. Please scan this QR code to find a short video review of the different augmented sixth chords. Let's listen to and analyze the first 8 measures of Lebeau's original theme. The counterpoint between the outer voices in measures 1 through 4 is striking, and Lebeau uses it to expand the tonic with a passing 4-3. The bass line then keeps ascending through A natural, the secondary leading tone of 4, then through a passing 6-4, and we arrive at the striking sonorities of measure 4. Only 3 measures later, in measure 7, we hear a jarring chord very similar to that one. In each case, the bass voice begins on D flat, scale degree low 6, and then moves down by step to 5. In the right hand in measure 4, Lebeau emphatically repeats the same F minor triad that ended measure 3. The C in the top voice then moves down by step to B natural. Hopefully your augmented sixth chord senses are tingling now. B flat is scale degree 4 in F minor, which makes B natural raised 4. Both measures 4 and 7 have low 6 in the bass and raised 4 in an upper voice. If the C in measure 4 is a suspension, what other notes are we left with? What about in measure 7? Write both the note names and scale degrees now. In measure 4, from bottom to top, we've got low 6, 1, low 3, and raised 4, while in measure 7, we've got low 6, 1, raised 4, and 2. So what types of augmented sixth chords are these? Both chords have D flat, F, and B natural, but the A flat gives us a German augmented sixth chord, while the G creates a French. Let's look more closely at how they resolve. As we'd expect, the augmented sixth in measure 4 resolves outward to an octave C in measure 5. Lebeau retains F and A flat in the inner voices, which creates a cadential 6-4 that resolves through 5-4-2 to a 1-6 chord. What about the French? Well, we know low 6 resolves down by step like before, but it seems like sharp 4 resolves down instead of up to C natural. This is called an elided resolution of the raised fourth scale degree. This can occur when an augmented sixth chord resolves directly to 5-7. In this case, the B natural moves down to B flat and becomes the chordal seventh. Before we move on, let's talk about an alternative analysis. You may have heard the G in measure 7 as an accented passing tone, sort of like the C suspension in measure 4. If so, it's fine to analyze this as an Italian. Now we'll listen to the first half of variation 5, the first major variation. We'll only provide a Roman numeral analysis for measures 86 and 7, but jot down other differences from the theme that you notice. What chord is the left hand arpeggiating in measure 86? List the pitch classes using letters and scale degrees. If you answered low 6, low 3, raised 4, and 1, you're right. Augmented sixth chords stick out more on the score and major keys, but we've seen this chord before. Which one is it? If you said German, you're right again. This German resolves directly to 5-7 in measure 87. But what about the G in the right hand? We can add detail to our analysis by showing an added fourth in the figured bass. There are other possible analyses, so feel free to do your own and bring it to class. In this piece, Lebeau uses augmented sixth chords as predominants, resolves them in expected and unexpected ways, and flexibly utilizes what we know as the German, French, and Italian augmented sixth chords. For more practice, please listen to and analyze the excerpts listed. Follow the QR code for score links. Thanks for watching.